What's up?
What's up?
How old are you?
7.
7. How long have we been skating together?
About a year.
Cool. Well, you're ripping now. So today we're gonna practice some new stuff. Check it out. Next, I want you to pop some ollies over the hip here. Okay, we're gonna do just front side and back side ollies real quick, and then we're gonna add to it again. So you're gonna drop in on this side, drop in on this side over here, and then find your line so that you can make a nice gentle carve into your angle. So I put these two blue pieces of tape here so that you know when to pop. Okay, start over there. And remember, you're gonna have to get your feet set in ollie position so you're ready. Bend down in the flat bottom. Bend down in the flat bottom down here, and then pump up and into your pop. Bend down and pop it. Good. Good.
This is gonna be easy.
Bending down, big pop. Almost. Backside needs a little more effort on your pop. Front side's looking good. Remember, really snap off that tip of the tail. Back foot, pop it. So everything's looking good, but I feel like you're rushing a little bit. So remember, dude, take your deep breath. Hey, take your deep breath. And relax. Visualize your line. Bend down, big pop. Good try. Try it again. That's too sharp of a turn. So look, where you're starting from right here, this is too sharp of a turn to carve to hit that hip. Look, you want to mellow this out a little bit. So look, we're going to start over here. Right here's the good spot, okay? So remember, right when you drop in, you need to drop into ollie position with that back foot on the tip of the tail, bending down, big pop. That's better. So did you feel that click off the tail? Did you feel that pop? That's the goal here, okay? You want a nice crisp pop because that's going to keep that board solid into your feet. Pull those knees up as you pop. Andrew, you're doing fantastic. Big pop. Better. Better. Just a little more power out of that one. Go ahead, try it again. Bending down, big pop. That was good. Hey, that one was good. It was just a little too late, okay? Your pop was a little too late. So take your deep breath. Try it again. Leaning in, pop it. Good. Dude. Good job.
Can we do something different?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me see a 50-50 over this hip. Okay, we did that last lesson. We're just gonna recap on that real quick.
Wait, you want me to, I need to hold hands.
Okay, that's fine.
I haven't been practicing it.
That's fine. Start over here, roll in, and then get on so you follow.
I know that.
Yeah. Remember,
I did that.
remember, follow the tape line I put here so it gives you a nice angle to ride up and on.
Okay.
Anybody else that's learning this, you want to ride right up and over the hip. So see, he got on too late. Or I'm sorry, he got on too early. So you tried to get on right here, look. So you need to get on right where the hip is. Ride right up and over the hip. So follow your blue line up and onto your grind over the hip. Go ahead.
Are your knees still wooden?
Try that again. Hey, everything's looking good with this, but I would rather you roll in past that white line over there.
Okay.
Treat it more like a mini ramp. Andrew, roll in like right here.
Okay.
Wherever this brown spot is. Then go up and into it. Up and into it. That's better. Stay in there. Almost. So the next thing, if you're feeling sketchy when you get into your 50-50 here, no, remember, you need to bend those knees down so you're nice and low for a low center of gravity and lock in the heel wheels against the coping by leaning the head in, and you can point your toes. You can point your toes down or keep your ankles tight to keep your board level. Better, but hey.
I did it again.
I know, see, you're going back to your bad habit. So remember, roll in on that brown spot over there. Roll into the brown spot over there. Head in, head in, head in. Almost, almost. So see, when the head goes back, the body goes back, and then you come off of the coping. So try that again. Bend those knees a bunch. Bend those knees. Get in there nice and low. Come on, Andrew, you can do this, dude, but you gotta stay nice and low when you get into your bind. Take your deep breath. Okay, look at where you gotta get on. Look at the blue line, how it goes up and into the hip, right up and over, okay? That's gonna make it the easiest way for you to get up and on top of that coping without having to carve on the coping at all. Better. Bend down, stay in there. That's it. Much better, dude.
That felt really scary.
That's okay, that's the first one. So now, start again. Start back by the curb again. Take your deep breath. Look at where you gotta get on so that you follow the exact same path for the one that you landed. Give it a nice push, set those feet. Pump up, head in, head in. Head's gotta stay in. Once the head stays in, then you'll lock it in. All right, to save some time, I'm gonna give you a hand, okay? So that's gonna keep you in this ramp, okay? So, getting onto the coping right there was super sloppy, and that's because you didn't follow your blue line. You gotta follow your blue line. Remember, Andrew, you're driving that skateboard, so you're driving the car. There's lines on the road, and you gotta stay within the lines, because if you don't, you could crash. So take your deep breath, up and into your blue line. Much better. That's better. Good job, dude. Hey, much better. Try it again. We'll do a couple more and then we'll move on. Good. Good. I want to see you pump. And remember, look, since you're dropping in, you're going slower, means you need to start over here a little bit more. It'll make it easier to stay in the ramp this way. Okay? Big deep breath. Pump. In that ramp. So that was really good, but did you follow your blue line? I bet if we looked, you missed that blue line. So for everybody else who's trying this, remember, you want to stay close to the hip. If you try to get on over here, you're gonna miss and ride back, and that's what he's struggling with right now. So start to build trust in getting close to where the coping actually turns. Okay. And you can ride right up and onto your lock-in. Much better. Much better. Good job. Here's some water. Hey, fantastic, dude.